So what's going on, everyone? Today's the 29th of October, 2023. Real quick, we'll do a price prediction for ADA or Cardano. See that the market's going to continue to explode in price. You guys can see on the chart already that the market has done just that since our last video, which was on October the 15th, 2023. You guys can see we were anticipating the price in ADA to go down in price, and it caught support, meaning the buyers came into the market in ADA right there on October the 19th. Should not be surprised that that happened because we told you all about that support area previously, that if those buyers still show up here around 24 cents, yes, the market in ADA could go higher, and that's exactly what happened. So don't be surprised to not see price in ADA go below 24 cents. I gave you all the heads up. So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here into the market in ADA. And now we're going to follow through with the trend. Currently, the price in ADA has broken outside of our trading channel, which is a fantastic thing because that breakage occurred outside or above this area of resistance of 28 cents. So that's good. So let's go ahead and cut this line out the way. And we're going to take this bottom line and we're going to transpose it into what the trend currently looks like in ADA. So yes, this market in ADA currently is bullish. The market currently is in a definite trend higher. The problem though will be these areas over here. Okay. This is where we need to find where those sellers are, because those sellers definitely are lurking in the background, ready to hit the market, ready to hit the buyers to bring price back down in ADA, especially once they think price is expensive and then people want to take profit. Let's look at the market in ADA real quick on the 2-day time frame. Here it is on the 2-day chart. Are we still bullish? What do you think? Do you think the market here in ADA is still bullish? If so, how high do you think the price is going to go before the sellers show up? Because if you look here to the left of the chart, you could possibly see where the market in ADA could find some resistance, or i.e. selling. 31 cents, maybe 32 cents here. The biggest area is going to be up here towards 33 cents. Okay. Now, this area down here also is acting as resistance into the market in ADA. That is why on these two-day price bars, the market here in ADA got hit with some selling. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. These two right here, this one and then this one. Okay, so the market so far, the demand is willing to absorb that selling right there around 30 cents. Take a look at ADA real quick on the 3-day chart. Are we still bullish or are we bearish? I really want us to focus in on this area right here, because I really think that will be the first location that those sellers will show up to try to bring back down the market in ADA. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Take a look at ADA on the weekly. We have 7 hours and 21 minutes left, but currently the weekly bar does look pretty bullish. So don't necessarily get hung up and look at 30.5 cents as a definite area of resistance or a place to where sellers are. They're there. But given the weekly price bar in the next 7 hours and 21 minutes, if we close up here at the high of the bar, I don't think that this area will be too impactful to the buyers. And then my next area will have to be up here. Here's 8 on the 2-weekly time frame, real quick on the 3 weeks, and again on the 5. Okay. 8 on the 330-minute chart. Yes, we're currently hitting resistance. We already know. Expect the price to get rejected, come down a little bit, but as long as it doesn't break our trend line, we need to maintain that the idea of where price has the easiest way to move will be higher. Okay. So let me do this. I'm actually finished. We're going to go ahead and play some strength into the market in ADA. We're going to look for the price to go higher. You guys got my two targets. My first one, it's going to be right there around 30.5 cents. It's only 3.11% there. Second target is going to be all the way up here around 32 cents. Okay. So now, let's say that the market does get hit with selling real quick around 30.5 cents. Let's say that that happens. As long as price in ADA doesn't fall back below 28 cents, I'm cool with that. Preferably, I don't want to let the market come all the way down here, but if it does, I'm cool with that as well. 26 cents or 26.5 cents. Now what I want, okay, this is what I want to allow happen, is for price in ADA to keep in line with that trend line. That's what I really want to see. But as with everything, you don't always get what you want. So I'm just trying to prepare for what can happen outside of my expectations. And that would be for the market to come down to 28, which I'll be cool with as long as the buyers hold there. If they don't hold at 28, then if the buyers hold 26 and a half, I'll be cool there too. It will just take the market longer to move to our target areas. All right, so let's just see. Initially, yeah, be prepared for the market to go down in ADA. So that's it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.